Kawasaki is shaking up the European market again with the introduction of the Z650 S, a new variant of the Z family that now features a more forward-riding position and a much more aggressive design than the standard version. For now, the Z650 S has only been confirmed for the European market, but many predict that this bike will also soon be available in the United States, possibly replacing the non-S version. Interestingly, the letter S this time does not mean short as in other Kawasaki models, e.g. KLX230 S. The Japanese manufacturer says that S can mean stunning, style, stage, or spotlight. However, considering its design and character, it seems that S is better interpreted as Sugomi, Kawasaki's signature design philosophy that emphasizes a fierce, aggressive, and energetic impression. In terms of appearance, the Z650 S actually resembles the Z500 more than the standard Z650. The tank shroud is now more prominent and sharp, with a pointed shape above the open radiator, giving it a fierce and futuristic look. The headlights also follow the design of the Z500 and Z900 with 3 LED units, 2 above and 1 in the middle, replacing the wider and taller model on the Z650. Kawasaki has also fitted a fat bar handlebar that is 1.2 inches wider than the standard version. In addition, the seat is thicker and about 0.8 inches higher, resulting in a slightly more forward-leaning riding position. The standard seat is now wider, as is the passenger seat, and 2 additional seat options are available as official accessories. Beneath its new appearance, the Z650 S retains the same mechanical heart as the Z650. The 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, producing approximately 67 horsepower at 8,000 revolutions per minute and 48.5 lb-ft of torque at 6,700 revolutions per minute, remains the backbone. The steel trellis frame, 41mm telescopic front suspension, and horizontal backlink rear suspension with adjustable preload are also retained. The only noticeable difference is the standard round brake discs, replacing the distinctive pedal design on the Z650. In terms of technology, the 4.3-inch TFT screen now offers 2 display modes, a bar-style tachometer like the old model, and a new hexagonal version. The screen can also automatically adapt to ambient lighting or be manually adjusted to the rider's preference. For the European market, the Z650 S will be available in 3 attractive color options: metallic matte Grafna steel gray/metallic flat spark black with a gold frame, candy lime green/metallic carbon gray, and ebony/metallic carbon gray, both with a black frame.